Class Clown, and your boy Jesus Christ came to save man. I bang, but I bang the right way. I bang with Jesus. Jesus Christ came to save man. I go to Central. I read the Bible every day. I pray the right way. Yeah, he's coming back, but he's coming back to save man. And you don't know when he's coming back. Yeah. You got it. Down. Going to church. You read the Bible. But you don't pray every day. Just like I do. Yeah. You know what it is? It's Class Clown. It's Class Clown. I also DJ. I work at your local Walmart. Trying to go to college, but I can't, man. Because I don't have enough money, man. That's why I don't consider money the right way to go to school. And that's why he's coming back to save man, because you think your money is the right way to go. Yeah, I also went to Beloit Turner High. It was a quiet school, but it wasn't good enough for me. Yeah. And you make your hands go jump into joy. Jump. Yeah. I love my man Elmo, the Belmo, the Jelmo. Yeah, you got it. It's Class Clown.